Okay, so the last page, problems 11, 12, 13, and 14, we're using this M1V1 equals M2V2 equation. What do you call that? The dilution equation. This is when we're adding water to a previously made solution, and that'll change the concentration, right? You know, like think of it, if you got some Kool-Aid and you add more water to it, it'll become less strong, right? Less concentrated, it'll taste less sugary, it'll taste more watery, all right? So that's just, we're kind of looking at the mathematics of that. So let's say I have 100 milliliters of a 8 molar solution of salt, NaCl, and then we add 100 mils of water. We want to know what is the new concentration. What is the new concentration? So that's going to be M2, right? So basically, now we can actually leave things in milliliters for this one. So if we use that M1V1, that's going to be 8 times 100. Okay, so that's the 8's the M1V1's 100. That equals, now we're trying to find M2. Now V2, you got to be careful. This is the only tricky part about these problems. We started with 100 mils, we added 100 mils, so this is going to be 200. You might think it's the 100 because we added 100, but it's the final total, which is going to be 200. So then if we multiply 8 by 100, we get 800 divided by 200. We get M2 to equal 4, capital M for the concentration unit there, molarity. And that makes sense, right? If it's 8 molar and there's 100 milliliters of it, if I double how much water is there, that means I'm going to half the concentration, right? If I double the water, it's now half as strong. So that's going to be our final answer there.